Hey guys, so you may think, oh, is your microphone off again? Well, actually, no. My microphone was on. But when I went to edit it on CapCut, my entire mic just got corrupted and it just went out. So yeah, anyways, this is the last Blizzard pack opening of my alt account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gonna keep opening packs. And there's going to be some sped up versions so that you won't have to sit here through a bunch of minutes of boring pack opening. And also, I got my Megalodon back off camera, so yeah, that's good. So yeah, the rest of the video is just opening packs, seeing if I get any epics or legendaries. But now, since this is a voiceover, I already know what happens. So it's time for you to see what happens. Are you ready? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And there we go. We got a legendary. That's nice. And an epic right after. You don't see that happening every day. You're probably wondering, what am I about to do? Well, the Medieval Pack has decided to help the Blizzard Pack. So I'm going to be selling the Medieval Pack because they're nice. Or any means necessary to try and get that chroma. And besides, the Medieval Pack is probably the easiest pack ever. And if you're saying, oh no, the Breakfast Pack is easier, well then, you're wrong. the final Blizzard pack ever recorded on my alt account. Let's see if we can do it. And just a hot chocolate. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my journey in the winter update in Blooket. This will be my last alt account video, but there's going to be a trailer on Mega Pack. Like, I'm going to be opening a bunch of packs. And yeah, we did pretty good for the Blizzard pack. No chromas, but we still got the legendaries. So yeah, stay tuned for the trailer, and goodbye.